Hello Sagittarians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you and your person. So on one side will be your energies, on other side will be the energies of the person you're dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. And please feel free to swap the sides according to your situation. Okay, so let's see what we have for Sagittarians. Okay, wow, we have the Ace of Swords on your side. Let's see what's here on the your person's side. So on your person's side, we have the Knight of Pentacles. Okay, so what is the most likely outcome? Two of Swords. Why? Anyway, with the Ace of Swords, I see you see this connection as a new beginning. You want the new beginning with this person. Here with the Knight of Pentacles, yes, they also have feelings, though they are taking it very, very slow. The Two of Swords as the outcome, closed off, not investing. I won't be commenting much on basis of these three. I like to take the clarifiers first, just to see what is going on, because the Two of Swords, what is the reason of being closed off? So let's see what's on your side with the Ace of Swords. What's there behind the scenes? Okay. The Two of Swords, the Fool, and the Page of Swords on your side. Let's see what's there on their side. Okay, here we have the Eight of Pentacles, the Ace of Cups, the Knight of Swords. See, why is this Two of Swords as the outcome? Okay, we have the King of Pentacles, the Four of Cups, and the Empress. Okay. The Moon. I just wanted to take some more, so I'll take them later on. I don't know. I'm not feeling like drawing more cards. So anyway, so this is a new beginning which you want, or you are actually having, or you are ready to have. So it can be at energetic level. You are willing to have a new beginning in your life, because I'm just saying willing to have, because with the Two of Swords you've dealt with something which was not that good. You were very, very guarded, you were closed off, and now I think with the Fool card, here you have taken the leap of faith, because perhaps you have not got that clarity that whatever was not meant to be was not meant to be, and here you are surrendering yourself to the universe, to God, for whatever happens for good type of a mode, and here you are taking the leap of faith. Okay, so this is you are ready for a new beginning. I must say that. So you have prepared yourself, you are ready, you are taking the leap of faith for a new beginning, you are surrendering yourself, is the word I'm getting, to life, as to what was not meant to be, was perhaps not good for you, and that is why you have just overcome that feeling. Now you are ready for a new beginning. With the Fool, you've surrendered yourself, and here with the Page of Swords, You have come a long way. You have come a long way, definitely. And you are slowly and steadily, you are treading that path, though it may seem a little tough, but you are very focused on crossing the negatives and reaching your goal or your destination or a new beginning. So, no matter how hard the path is, you are determined to reach there. And determined to reach there is your happiness. Okay, so you are ready to take a new beginning with somebody new. That's what I'm trying to say. With someone new, a new zeal of life, a new way of life, or whatever it is. So a new chapter of life. Okay, so you are leaving the past behind and moving towards the new. And here with the Knight of Pentacles, we have Eight of Pentacles, the Ace of Cups, and the Knight of Swords. See, what I am getting here is that this person is taking it slow, because first thing is which I got was perhaps they are really busy. That is one thing. Or the second thing which I am getting here is they are too more focused on their work. One is they are actually busy. Second thing is they are too focused on their work, because to some extent perhaps what I am getting is they have turned their back towards the emotional aspects. Okay, so they are guarding their heart very, very closely, because for some reason they are more focused on their work, either to keep them busy, because they want to guard their heart basically. They don't want to rush in, or maybe perhaps they have closed the doors to their emotions. They don't want to invest very fast, and the reason again is they want to guard their emotions, they want to guard their heart. And here with the Knight of Swords is they also want to run away. They're showing the back basically. What I am getting is again and again they're showing the back to emotions. Precisely the energy I am getting is they are guarding their heart, they're showing their back to the emotions, focusing more on the work. Actually, that is why they are taking it slow. Okay, let's see what is the outcome. Okay, here the outcome was the Two of Swords. So Two of Swords is obviously being self-centered, introvert, not opening up. Let's see what are the clarifiers. The King of Pentacles, the Four of Cups, but we have the Empress also. Somebody here wants to, or maybe even both of you perhaps, because both of you have had a past here. You're turning your back to your emotions. You are ready for a new beginning. This person perhaps may be ready for a new beginning. They are looking at you. They are looking at you. They are noticing you. It's not that you are being unnoticed, but they are guarding their heart. That is why they're taking it slow. And both of you want some time. I see here somebody having that me time, enjoying that me time, laid back approach, and they just want to be on their own, sort of a thing. And with the Four of Cups also, that's what again here also I'm getting. Yes, somebody is not very much interested actually. They want some time alone, not very much interested in focusing on emotional aspect. That's what I'm getting. So definitely being ready for a new life doesn't mean that you are actually started investing in a relationships. But yes, you are ready to begin a new life, be it a relationship or in general. Okay, so that is what it is coming here. And here this person is noticing you. You know, you are there in their vicinity. They are aware of you. They are aware that yes, you are there. They are noticing you, but they want to guard their heart. They have turned their back from emotions for some reason, and that is why they are taking it slow. They want to, both of you perhaps want to have some time, or maybe that is at energetic level both of you need that time. Really not interested in emotional aspects as for now. But with the Empress here and with the Moon card, the double moon, just see the moon is here also and the new moon is here also. So I think it is a new beginning. Maybe because the things are not very clear to both of you. So both of you are being very, very intuitive, following your instincts. But what I feel is both of you want to focus on your own basically. Though we have the Knight of Pentacles and the Empress, and your Empress is about new beginning. So perhaps there is a potential new beginning. But as for now, it is talking about self-love actually. That's what I'm trying to say. Both of you need to focus on the self-love to perhaps make it happen in future. Things are not very clear as for now. I am not even feeling like pulling out more cards. So I'm not feeling the need to pull out more cards. But what I am feeling here is both of you need to focus. Both of you are appreciating each other's presence. Both of you are ready for the new zeal of life. You are ready for a new life. They are noticing you that you are there, but they want to take it slow because they want to guard their emotions. Okay, they are a little guarded over here. Both of you need to focus on self-love. For this new beginning to manifest, give that time to yourself, both of you. Thinks the path ahead is perhaps not very clear, but follow your instincts. Do what your inner voice says. That is coming up as a guidance. So let's see what is the message from the universe for you. Listen with your heart. You are listening but need to hear with a loving heart. Number one may be of some significance for you. So I think perhaps this is the time when you can just be there for each other and just listen to each other with compassion. Listen to them with their heart. Offer your support, offer your friendship, something of that sort, and then perhaps you will be able to manifest this new beginning. Just give it time. That's what I'm getting. So that's all I have for you, Sagittarians. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let's see each other in the next video. Bye.